secure denim jacket. Pero parang kung pang night, parang mas cute yung mas dressy jacket.
Sa behind the scene ng vlog ni Janine Gutierrez, unang ipinakita at sinusukat niya ang kanyang iba't ibang style ng jacket.
From me, and let me know what other fashion videos you guys want to see in the future. I hope you had fun, and thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Next naman niya ipinakita ang mga magagandang long dress, pero ang cute ng reaksyon ni Janine nang natawa ito dahil medyo nahiya siya.
And today, I'm sharing with you my capsule wardrobe. So, yan ako. Sige lang, slow.
Nagkaroon naman ng vlog collaboration ang mag-inang Lotlot De Leon at Janine Gutierrez sa cooking at talagang parehong napakaganda ng dalawa.
Hi guys! Back by popular demand on the vlog, Mother